I just went in and looked from Harley. Those things are like $70 for a set of bearings. I can't do that in good conscience. Uh, I'll hook up Napa tomorrow. Looks like it takes a Temkin LM11749 bearing. I'll try and pick up 2 of those. That'll come with the bearings, the races, and I'll do something with a washer to fit in there as far as a shim to give it a little end play on the bearings there. But check your bearings. Now, obviously, whoever put this together, they put fresh grease on it. They cleaned them and put fresh grease, but they put it on the old races. And even the bearings on this thing bearings aren't horrible. They're not real good either, but the races are definitely tore the hell up. So we'll figure something out with these. And I've done about all I'm doing today. I think the boys got my helmet in his car, so I was going to go riding some because it's warmed up pretty decent. But yeah, maybe tomorrow. I need to ride that Sportster Salmon, tune the ignition on it, the salvage bike. I'll do that tomorrow instead of today. Be less people out tomorrow than there is today. People out joyriding, I can hear them going up and down the road. But check your bearings out. If they have any kind of wear on the races, you can run your finger in there and feel it. If you feel any notches, it needs bearings. Then you're going to grease everything up. You're going to need to clean your shaft here. Now they greased this shaft up and cleaned it pretty decent, but it's all for naught because everything else was toast on it. You can hear the sand in the frame there where the pivot shaft goes through there. So I'll have to clean that out too. And go from there. It's coming together slowly but surely. I need to screw around with this damn wiring for these turn signals. Get that crap all together. And stick a bolt up in the frame here for the fender. Just missing a bolt there. Throw the wiring harness on there. And once I get the swing arm on, I can bolt the rear wheel up. And actually, I'll probably go ahead and pull those bolts out of the swing arm or out of the rear wheel now and torque them. Red Loctite and torque. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and check these sprocket bolts and disc bolts. I've already loosened them. The sprocket bolts were not the tightest they could be. Ones here are pretty tight. Almost all of them. All right, you're going to go ahead and run a thread chaser down through these to get any old Loctite out of there. Make sure the holes aren't screwed up. They shouldn't be, because the bolts came out like they should. While you're doing it, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's your brake rotor. 3, 4. It. Have to edit the part out with my ass hanging out there from the paint's falling down. But I did one video and my wife's like, you got to edit that out of there. Edit what? Your ass is hanging out. Oh, okay. I don't think they care. Maybe they do. I don't know. Maybe it's a little humorous to them. Anyway, if you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that stuff, and I'll keep going on in this thing till we're done with it. Like I said, I'm going to have to go over this thing front to back, which has proven to be true so far.